In this lesson, let's dive into the fascinating term kisetsu, which pops up frequently when discussing the changes in weather and nature throughout the year. The word kisetsu means season in English. It refers to the distinct divisions of the year, such as spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The first kanji means season, or a part of the year, something like a quarter. It shows up when we talk about the cycle of weather and time, like shiki, which literally means the 4 seasons. It also appears in kikan to indicate a periodic interval, as in a publication that comes out every few months. The second kanji means a node or point that marks a change, and by extension, it can mean a section or a rule about moderation. You can see it in setsuyaku, where it carries the idea of cutting back or economizing, and in setsubun, where it marks the division between seasons. During the change of seasons, people tend to catch colds. 季節の平和り目は風邪をひきがちです。季節の平和り目は風邪をひきがちです。Enjoying the seasonal things. 季節風物を楽しむ。季節風物を楽しむ。I want to eat seasonal fruits. 季節の果物を食べたい。季節の果物を食べたい。I look forward to the seasonal meal. 季節の食事が楽しみです。季節の食事が楽しみです。The most common synonym of the word kisetsu is jisetsu. While kisetsu focuses on the 4 main periods in a year, jisetsu can refer to more specific times or occasions within those periods, like particular months or events. The most common antonym of the word kisetsu is eikyu, which means permanence. While kisetsu refers to changes and cycles in a year, eikyu suggests something that does not change or last indefinitely.